In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Permission Manager. Now tap on one of your device's features to manage it, or click on one of those options to access an app that you wish to manage. After selecting an app, click on one of the available options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, and then go back. If you wish to, you can always just tap on your app and click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!